Welcome to the fourth video in our Canva crash course. So in this video, we'll learn how to work with text on Canva, and that's typography. Uh, Typography is one of the basic and core design elements. It matters a lot. So right now, let's check how we can add text to designs. Okay, so primarily I have my default page on Canva, which is on white background. So I will decide to change this page to a variant of blue. So if you want to work with text, you check the left navigation, the left menu on the Canva page. That is from here where you have templates, photos, elements, and text. So I click on text. Here we have add heading, add subheading, and add a paragraph or the body. Okay, so the Canva tries to sectionize the whole text into heading and subheading. So let's say I want to do something like, I want to type something. So let me put a heading first. I click on the heading. It prompts the heading for me. So I can drag this heading here. So let me do a subheading. I click on subheading. And it comes out here. I can do some resizing of the subheading. I drag it here. Then I add some body of the text. So here I can type anything I want. Let me do copy and paste, enter, copy and paste, enter. Okay, so this tells you that this particular one can be used to add heading. This one here can be used to add subheading. And this one can be used to add paragraphs or body of your text. Okay, then one good thing that happens on Canva is that it comes with a formatted font combination that is so amazing. Right from here, you can scroll down and you see some of the font combination pre-formatted for you that you can use to make your work so amazing and really amazing, like crazy. Yeah, so okay, let's say I'm doing this, I can get this guy out, it's free. Oh, my network. Okay, so okay, yeah, this guy is out here. So see, it's pre-formatted, so I can place this and tweak it around, modify it in my design. Sorry, let me do it that. So I can increase the size. I can zoom in. So I have a full size. Yeah. So right now I can edit this to suit what I want to do. It's so amazing, right? Yeah. You can still select from other pre-formatted text styles here. Oh, I think I did this too much. So it's taking time to delete. Okay, it's taking time to delete. Okay, let me try this. Delete elements. Okay, so let me get this as a whole. Delete group. Yeah, so you can try this out. It's cool. You can try this out in case you're doing a kind of happy birthday, happy new month. You know, this text here is like so slanty and stylish. You could use it for happy birthday, happy new month. That's crazy. Okay, so let's look at a few more things that can happen. Okay, because this is just April, so let's work with this right now. So let's look at how to change the font type. Okay, I don't want to alter the font type for these chairs, so let me work with this guy here. I want to change the font for this guy. I select this guy. I come here, right here, see the font tab here. So I click to have the drop down. From the list here, I can have or I can see different fonts. So in case you know the font you want to use, so what you do is this: you come back here and type the font name. So me, I want to use Open Sans. Open Sans, Open Sans, Open Sans. Okay, okay, Open Sans is here. Sorry, I'm having a bit network challenge right now. My network is so poor. But when you type on Open Sans, it should give you Open Sans if you are connected to Google Fonts. So I select. So automatically it changes the font to Open Sans. You can see here, the font of the text here is now Open Sans. Okay, so I can still change the size. I'm doing Happy New Month. Let me increase the size a bit. Still from this part, I have the font size right here. You tap it around, you scroll. Let me do 42 or 48. It's a bit stronger. So I can still Change the font color. I highlight, come here, I have the color. I can change the font color. Oh, sorry, I used something so bad. Change the font color. Yeah, cool. It's cool on this, right? It's cool on this. Cheers to the new year. Actually, it's not a new year, it's a new month. So I can still format this text around. Let's see how I can do this. Right here, I can make this text to be bold. I can do it italics. I can do it underline. You're seeing the changes. But because it's okay to make this underline and this italics, so I can keep it at bold. And that is how this text work. Okay, so what if you're working on something and you want to create a list of say food items. Food items, you can come up with that. Okay, so let me say I'm picking this subheading. I could say rice, enter, I could say beans, enter, I could say yam. I have three lists here. So I come here, I do lists. Okay, I think I got this the bad way. I did this the bad way. Yeah, I did this the bad way. So, okay, let's do a Control Z to this. So what should have happened is I have this list here. Let me start again and give you this. I have rice here. I have yam here. I have beans here. Oh, beans. So I could start by changing the text alignment. From here, I change to left alignment. I could again start by tapping this. Thank you. It gives me the list. So this list is actually using dots. And what we refer this list as is unordered list. So what if I want to do this list to have numbers 1, 2, 3? So I can still come here and tap. It changes. I tap no list. I tap is unordered and I tap is 1, 2, 3 list. That's amazing, right? Okay. So like I said that typography is so important when you're working with designs. So let's do this. Most times it looks like your texts are too compacted. That's there, there is no breathing space between them. So you could solve this problem by actually creating a space. So you could give the text to have a letter spacing or a line height. So letter spacing, we create spaces between each of the alphabet or characters. So let's see what happens here. I drag this. Oh, yo. Yeah, you're seeing this. It's adding spaces between this. Okay? Yeah, it's adding spaces. So you could use this letter spacing to make your text look so crazy. Okay, let's assume I have another part of this. Add heading. Let's see how the line height works. So with the entire text selected, I can still come back to spacing. I adjust the line height. See how it works. Yeah. So I think that what we need to do as a business person who's trying to create his design is to get used to typography. It matters a lot. It matters a lot because it brings out the beauty in designs. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.